First of all, I'm Matt King. I'm the Chief Technology Officer and co-founder of IUNU, and I want to thank Jeff and his team for inviting us here. I'm one of those mystical systems providers, actually sell services based on computer vision to greenhouse operators using tools and technologies that you build. And the joke has been going around a bit. We are Big Brother, but only for plants. No privacy for plants. We want to know everything there is to know about the plants. We actually don't really do much in terms of watching people in the space. We do a very little bit in terms of watching how long certain tasks take, but we're really just looking at how long motion was happening during a certain time in terms of that. But if you peel back the covers and get down to the business model, what is it that we're doing? We're automating data collection. I'll get into it a little bit further in the presentation as to what the current state of data collection is in this industry, but that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to give them data that they already know they want and data they can't get otherwise. But that's just what we do. What we're actually giving our customers is time. We save them time. Automation is all about that. And people ask me all the time, so you're coming and taking the growers' jobs? Well, no. What we're coming and doing is taking the grower's clipboard. Our robots just replace the clipboard, not the grower. If you look at the statistics nationwide and worldwide, we are flatline on producing growers as a society, as a planet. We don't have more growers than we did 10 years ago. We have the same amount of growers. We have more people who need more food. So if we all want to keep eating, we have to give the growers better tools, and that's what we do.